Wagwan guys, wagwan, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to my channel. My name is Chevelle, aka Chev. Welcome to That's So Chev. I think this hair has me in a different type of mood, like a different type of mood. So my channel, That's So Chev. The reason for that name is because anything you see me do, that's so Chev. That is so Chev. I grew up in the States for years, from a child to a teenager, came back like 16, 17, something like that. And here I am today. I am a born Jamaica. I live in Jamaica. In terms of like uploading, how often you can upload, Chev? How often are we gonna see videos, Chev? I don't know. I'm joking. Once a week. So what I'm thinking of doing is I'm thinking of doing like a whole week of recording and then putting everything together in one little video and then flinging it down. That's what I'm thinking of doing. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing that. That exact thing is what I'm thinking of doing. So I'm not sure which, so that's like gonna be like a Saturday upload or whatever, or if I feel like we did something over the weekend and then over the weekend leading up into the week, then I will upload in the middle of the week. So you guys will just get videos probably at any random time of the week. I don't know. I don't have a schedule yet. I don't know. I've done YouTube before. I've been here before. I've done this. There's videos starting from maybe about 2014 or something like that. I don't remember. 2014, 2015, something like that. I don't remember. I was doing YouTube when YouTube wasn't popular. Okay, but I do YouTube when not much people never really dip on it. And I was getting here and there views, but nothing like no, we wasn't reaching there. Nah, I didn't get there. But yeah, then my cousin and I, we did a channel together by the name of Chocolate Trouble. Our videos are still there, and I'm still hoping that we can get back to that. Rush, hey, how you doing? I'm still hoping we can get back to that because my cousin and I, when we link up together, when we link in together, head bust, everything bust, laughing, belly hurt you, everything. We are gonna just get problem, get trouble, do everything. That's what we do. We try to be our very authentic self in everything that we're doing. So me sitting here before you guys acting silly, that's me. When you guys see me quiet, that's me. When you guys see my head look like I'm nobody's child, that's me. When you guys see me looking like a whole supermodel out here, that's me. Okay? That's me. That's me. Also, I want to big up Jehovah God. I want to big up Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior. Yeah. I want to put it out there. I am a child of the living God. Yes, I am. A child of the living God. Right? So my faith is in Jesus Christ. I serve Jesus Christ. My salvation is in Jesus Christ. A lot of us don't want to make it known who our faith is in. My faith is in Jesus Christ. My faith is in not in man, not in woman, not in mother, not in father, not in children, not in nothing, nobody else, but in Jesus Christ. The channel will cover like vlogging. I'll mostly be doing like vlogging. I'll do some story times, lifestyle stuff. Like I have a video coming. Like I hope you guys are gonna like that video. I got some stuff coming. So those are the few things I'll be doing: vlogging, lifestyle, story times. That's as far as I can think about right now. I can't think about anything else right now that I'm interested in doing. I've always, that's it. When I was doing it by myself, I was vlogging. When I was doing it with my cousin, we were vlogging, doing challenges, and we didn't reach the story times yet, but we were vlogging, doing restaurant reviews and challenges. So that's what we were doing. Who will you be seeing on my channel? Now, I am a married lady, okay? I'm very married. I have 2 children. However, my husband does not want to be on social media like that. If you see him, you see him. If you don't, you don't. He is not going to be like, oh, chef, don't post me. No. If I post him, I post him. If I don't post him, he doesn't care. If he's in my videos, he doesn't care. But in terms of like, if he's to come sit down and do videos with me, he may not want to do that. And then I'll probably have to do like a whole persuasion before I have to be like, babe, please, babe, me get anything you want. So we've talked about it already, and he's not interested. He wants to be at the back and do all the things that a wonderful husband does. He's not interested in being upfront and in the limelight, but that's my thing, so he doesn't care. My babies, you will see them. When you see them, you see them. It's not on purpose if I post them. It's not on purpose if I don't post them. When it comes to my husband, my children, and my own peace of mind, I will take away myself. I will take myself away from the equation. So if I have to come off of YouTube because people are being rude, disrespectful, have nothing nice to say, and just ignorant, I will come off because they're important to me. And I don't want to ruin friendships and relationships because of social media. First and foremost, okay? You guys bear with me because in terms of like content, I'm so scared when it comes to pulling out my camera out in public. I'm shy. I'm like hiding in a shell to take out my phone to talk. This is something that I like to do, I love to do, I enjoy doing. So yeah, but we'll brave up, we'll woman up and do the things them, but just bear with me, yeah? So when I see me have the phone at some angle, I try remember say, oh, be brave, be bold in all that you do. Be brave, be brave and be bold in all that you do. Anyways, we don't plan for company here for chat too long. So this is me, this is we, this is us, this is my channel. I hope you guys like my channel. I hope you guys like the videos that I'll be posting. I hope you guys are entertained. I hope you like the content. I hope that it is pleasing to the eyes and the ears, and I hope you can learn some things from me and I can learn some things from you. I hope some of you guys can get to know Jesus through me. Like, comment, share, subscribe. What would you like to see me do next? May God bless you, keep you, strengthen you, heal you, deliver you, set you free from everything. There is nothing that Jesus can't do. There is no situation that he can't fix. There is no man or no woman who he cannot help. But they here for now. Jesus, they there for no more. Love y'all. Later. Bye.